Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like this video if it was helpful. Today I will show you how to replace low beam, high beam and turn signal light bulbs on a 2012 Buick Verano. This works from 2012 all the way up to 2017. To start, open the hood and I will show you on driver's side headlight how to do it. So the furthest one to the left is your low beam, then next to it is your high beam, and down at the bottom is your turn signal light bulb. So from looking from this side, this is your low beam, the big gray cover. Or this one, the black one, is your high beam, and your turn signal bulb is, okay, sorry about bad filming, it's just down here in this hole. To replace the low beam, you can pull this windshield tube out. It's not screwed in or anything, just pull it straight out, and once you're done you can just put it back in the same way it was. And now to access the low beam bulb, you need to unscrew this cover anti-clockwise. Okay, so I'll try to do it with one hand. Okay, so this is the cover. Okay. Now this is the light bulb. To access it, also just turn it anti-clockwise. And here's your light bulb. And now to detach it from the connector, there is a small clip here which you have to push, and then the light bulb will come out. Okay, so I'll try to do it now. Okay, it was hard for me to record this with one hand, but yeah, it's quite easy to do. Like I said, this is the connector. Just there's like this tab here, a clip, just click it and pull out the light bulb. Install a new one and put all back together. Okay, to access the high beam light bulb, you also have to remove this black cover the same way you did with the other one. So turn it anti-clockwise. Yeah, I used both hands, mine was almost glued, but once you remove it you have access to the light bulb. It's completely the same like for the low beam, just turn it anti-clockwise, pull it out and change the bulb. I won't record this twice. If you want to see how it's done, just go back to the part where I showed how to do it on the low beam. Put the cover back on once you are done. Then I will show you how to remove the turn signal light bulb. Okay, to access the turn signal light bulb, I'll try to turn on the flash on my phone and stick the phone down there. So it's right here. So if I go in with my hand, just under the high beam, there's a small hole where you have to get in, and also turn just the knob anti-clockwise. There is no cover. Okay, so I will try to squeeze my phone in so you can see it a bit better. Okay, here it is. This is your turn signal light. You just have to turn that knob anti-clockwise and pull it out, replace the bulb, and that's it. Put it back in. Okay, the other side is pretty similar. Low beam and high beam light bulbs are easily accessible, and the one for turn signal light is again down there. You see it, that knob, the gray knob. You might have to just unscrew this bolt here. Don't pull it out, just loosen this up, and then you can pull this tube of the airbox, and then you will have more space just to squeeze your hand down here, or maybe from this side, and turn that knob counterclockwise. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. That will help me do more educational videos and expand this channel.